How to share a private track on SoundCloud. Hello everyone. In today's video, you'll learn how you can share a private track on SoundCloud. And it is very simple. Just ensure you watch this video until the end. Now, private tracks are easy from public view, but they can be shared with a secret link. The first step is for you to log in into your SoundCloud account. If you have the private track already on your account, just head over to the private track. But if you're just about to make the track private, go to the upload tab at the top right side of the screen, click on it, and you'll be brought to the upload page. On this page, click choose files, right? And then select the file that you would like to set as private, click open, and then it will be uploaded, add the genre, the tag, and then for track privacy, choose private. Okay, and then click upload, and then the track would be uploaded as a private track. Once you have that done, the next step would be to go to your home page again, go to the top right side of the screen, click on your profile icon. In the drop down menu displayed, ensure you select tracks. Okay, so by selecting tracks, head over to the private track, move to the right side of the screen, click the three dot icon by the right side of the private track. Then you'll see different options like edit, add to playlist, monetize, master, distribute, download file, then copy link. So copy this link and then share it to whomever you want to share it to. After sharing it to this person, the person that you copies this link will be able to view and listen to the track. So this is just how to share private tracks on SoundCloud. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.